In this short video, I'll take you through a quick overview of one of the closest hotels to Southampton cruise terminals, the Moxy Hotel. This hotel is located right in the centre of Southampton, next to Westquay multi-storey car park and the Westquay Shopping Centre. It's just a 15-minute walk to both the City and Horizon cruise terminals, and the hotel is only around a 10-minute walk from the train and bus stations, making it an ideal choice if you're travelling by public transport or want to avoid the added cost of a taxi on your cruise day. On site, there's quite a lively bar, which is also where breakfast is served each morning. Bar food is available in the evenings too, with a good selection of reasonably priced options. And if nothing on the menu takes your fancy, then there are an abundance of food outlets nearby within Westquay Complex and the surrounding area in central Southampton. There's also a 24/7 grab and go option in the hotel, which is perfect for quick getaways on cruise day. Now let's take a look at the room. The one I'll be showing you today is room 320, located on the 3rd floor. This room is bright, reasonably spacious, and features a comfortable double bed. And there's also a bit of space under the bed if you need to slide your suitcase out of the way. You'll find tea and coffee making facilities, and while there isn't a traditional desk, there's a small shelf and an extra cube seat, but it can't really be considered as a desk or a workspace. There's also a large TV with a good range of channels. The room has a good range of plug sockets, both European and UK options, and a particularly clever design feature is the plug socket positioned conveniently next to the tall mirror. Perfect for doing your hair, and top marks to Moxy for that. There's an open wardrobe with a few coat hangers, and thankfully they're not the anti-theft kind, and I was pleasantly surprised with how powerful the hairdryer was. So again, full marks to Moxy for that. The climate control worked brilliantly, cooling down to as low as 5 degrees, and this was ideal in the warmer months. My room overlooked the back of the hotel, which made it lovely and quiet, and you can clearly see here how close it is to the Westquay multi-storey. Very handy if you're parking there. The bathroom is compact, but the door does open outwards, which helps with space. There's a shaver point, and the shower was reasonably powerful. And the complimentary toiletries were also quite pleasant smelling too. Overall, this is a comfortable and a convenient hotel. Now, while it might be slightly more expensive than some other options outside the city centre, you are likely to save on taxi fares, and the cheap parking next door is a real bonus. So have you stayed here before, and what was your experience like? Was it smooth sailing or a bit of a miss? Let me know in the comments. If you'd like more information on cruising from Southampton, I've got a full port guide available on my website, along with a helpful video containing all the details you'll need. So why don't you check one of these videos out next?